The future is so yesterday, when everything is run your way. Your influence is everywhere, smell innovation on the air. You tell me that I'm too ambitious, well I say I don't care. Now let's take a look at the profit margin. No, that's not, that's corporate jargon. You all want what you understand, so what I supply is what you demand. I'll never lose if you keep letting me win, but with the good that I do, is that such a sin? I created all that you believe. You gave me power you can't relieve. Am I going too fast? Is all this progress too loud? Did I leave you in the past? Let's take some cues from the crowd. Well, there's no such thing as a stupid question, so it's wise of me if I ask you to leave. Well, that all depends on your own ideology. But if I've caused suspicion, hey, take my apology. No, sorry, I mean, you always think of something to hide, and this is no different, you've implied. No questions!
The future is so yesterday.
The future is so yesterday.
When everything is
run your way. Your influence is everywhere. Smell innovation on the air. You tell me that I'm too ambitious. Well, I don't care. The future is so yesterday.